Hey guys, I hope everything is going well on your side, and once again I'm back with a fresh strategy for making money online. So before we dive right into it, my question to you is, how many videos do you watch per day, or how many videos do you watch in like a space of a week? Let's just say I took a guess. I would probably say you watch plenty because there's YouTube videos, Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Showmax, amongst others. Some even go to the extent of watching sports all day. So what if I told you you could turn that habit of yours into a decent money-making opportunity? Watching these videos can actually make you a lot of money while you get entertained. So if that's your type of vibe, well, guess what? You've landed on the right video, because that's exactly what I'll be teaching you. So make sure you listen very carefully, because every step is critical and you don't want to leave money on the table because you skipped some parts and tried to do it on your own. So on this website I'm about to show you, you can actually watch a video that is a couple of minutes long and earn $3 for every video that you've watched. And it's only logical to assume that the more videos you watch, the more money you stand to make. So don't worry, this method doesn't require you to pay anything. You just need a device with internet connection, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I teach ways of making money online without capital. So without further ado, I am the Make Money Online strategist. Let's not waste time, let's make some cash. So the website in question is none other than gg2u.org. So on this website, you'll be rewarded for activities like playing games, taking surveys, registering on websites, and downloading apps. And you could also earn money by having video ads on your device playing in the background, just like that. Just after registering, it is said that for new members, it is relatively simple for them to earn enough for their first reward, so it only makes sense to start as soon as possible. So GG2U may seem similar to other websites, but to be honest, it's not. Here on this website, you make money by completing tests or surveys. There are online surveys, and Offerwall usually offer the highest payout rates in the entire industry, ranging from 65% to 85%. On the other hand, their competitors usually offer about 40 to 60% to their members. That's a huge difference if you ask me. So you can sign up right now to see how much money you can make with GG2U, and they will even give you a $1 sign up bonus. So to get started, head over to their sign up form on the right of your screen, where you'll be required to enter your name, email address, password, username, country, and remember, I told you do not need to pay a cent. It is absolutely free and it works anywhere in the world. So you can earn some money right away. It doesn't require you to download anything, and there is no inactivity fee. That basically means you will not be penalized if you take a break for some months like other websites. When you come back, you will find things just as they were. So what you do when using a mobile phone is you just use a browser to access the website, because there is no mobile app to download on the Android Google Play Store or in the iOS App Store. Now once you're logged in, the things you can do in order to earn money includes taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, taking various offers, downloading apps, registering on websites, and you can also refer your friends on this website, and by that you will earn extra money. Now what I want to clarify is that you can earn more money by just watching videos. So if you do that, you can earn something called GG2U points. So with that said, you will earn a silver token for every 200 video points you acquire. So what happens is the tokens are switched into random bonuses that range from $1 to $3, and that will be added to your balance, and you can earn extra money by watching ads in the background while taking a survey, for example. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure you give it a like and leave a comment below if there's something you don't follow, and I'll make it a point to explain further in my reply. Anyway, like I said, you can also make money by surveys. Most surveys on this website take just 5 minutes at most, and the pay ranges from 60 cents to $1 per completed survey. So in as much as that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but you gotta remember that most surveys on other websites, they pay only a couple of dollars for a lot of surveys completed combined, which makes GG2U the better option. So what you need to do is participate on the preliminary survey, and you'll be accepted, because basically everyone gets accepted since there's no previous experience required or any skill for that matter. So once you get accepted, you will earn from 60 cents up to $1 just from one survey completed. Alright, so now when you want to withdraw your money, the good news is the minimum cash out is very low, and to be specific, the minimum is just $7. And you can exchange your coins for cash through PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Best Buy, Walmart, Nintendo, PlayStation, and many more. What GG2U prefers though is PayPal, because with it they are able to process your money in lightning speed. And that means you can expect your money within a day after your cash out request. And on top of that, they have a very responsive customer support, which is something you do not see in other money-making websites. So in summary, GG2U provides a number of options to make money online, and the cash out method is excellent. It doesn't make you run around in circles just to get your money, and if I were you, I would get right onto it as soon as I can. And if you want more ways to make money online without capital, feel free to check out the rest of the videos across the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got value from this video, and I'll see you in some of my next videos.